Hey guys, I am back after a long time with a working ESign iOS download no PC tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to download ESign on iOS 27 no computer for free, as well as on any other iOS versions you have on your iPhone or iPad. At the time of making this video, this method is 100% working, though it may or may not stop working in the future. As you can see, my device is currently not having it. Let's start the process to install ESign on iOS 27 without computer for free. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and the subscribe buttons. Now open your browser and go to this website. This is the official ESign website by the developer. Here, tap on Download DNS Profile option. It will show you ads multiple times, so just go back and tap on it again. Once it displays the Allow pop-up, tap Allow. The profile is now downloaded. Next, you need to install the downloaded profile. Go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Here you will see the downloaded ESign profile. Tap on it and install it by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, you will see it on your home screen. Now go back to the official ESign website. Below you can see the available certificates to install ESign on your device. I am using the first one because it's working and latest. You should use the first one whether you are watching this ESign tutorial later, because the latest certificate shows up at the top. If it doesn't work for you, you can try other certificates listed below one by one. Once again, you might need to try this multiple times to see the installation pop up. There are quite a few ads to support the developer, so I am just fast forwarding the video from here. After a few attempts, you will see the Install ESign pop up on your device. Tap on it and it will appear on your home screen. You have successfully downloaded ESign for iOS 27 no PC. However, when you try to open it for the first time, it won't launch and will ask you to trust the developer first. To do that, go back to the Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Tap on it and select Trust. It will ask you to restart your device, so go ahead and do that. After the restart, you will be able to open the installed ESign application. Open the app, tap Allow and then tap the next button at the top. As you can see, it has loaded successfully. Guys, if you have made it this far in this ESign tutorial, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos. Now, let's look at how to install IPA files using ESign on iOS 27. There are two ways to do this. You can install directly from the provided app library, or you can install your own downloaded IPA files. Let's explore both. To install from app library, tap the App Store button at the bottom. Here you will see listed apps. Simply tap the Get button next to the app you want. It will start downloading the app's IPA file and import it into the ESign app library. Next, select the app library location option. From here, tap on the file other than the IPA extension and tap on the Sign button. If you don't see the file, tap the IPA file first and select Extract. Once you tap Sign, the signing process will begin. Just tap on the Start Signing. Once it's finished, you will see the installed app on your home screen. As you can see, the ppsspp file is installed and working perfectly. I am blurring it out to avoid any copyright strikes. Now, let's see how to install an IPA file using your own downloaded IPA files. Before that, hit the like and the subscribe buttons. Now, go to the Files section at the bottom, tap the three dots at the top, and select the Import from Files option. This will show you all the IPA files on your device. Tap the one you want to install with the ESign app and select open. It will be imported into the ESign. Now simply install it the exact same way we did earlier. And as you can see, it's installed successfully. This is how to download and install ESign on iOS 27 no computer using an iPhone or iPad and use it to install apps. It is working for now, but keep in mind that it may or may not stop working in the future. Then you need to try using the other available certificates. Thanks for watching.